Sadhu, this is Rex with TorchPrep, back at it again with more math questions. So, test 2, I am now not on number 12. That's incorrect. That's wrong. This is lucky number 13. So, I want you to pause the video, go to your test book, test 2, number 13, read the problem, then press play. All right, so what we got here is 13, 14, and 15 all deal with the same content about this cake that was brought to a math club meeting. It may look like a lot of information, but I want you to know that with word problem strategy, and I just isolating what kind of arithmetic are they asking us to do? Just doing those things, this could totally be a survey portion. If you're comfortable with the word problem strategy, if word problems still slow you down, maybe move this over to the work. You know what's best for you. What part of the 3-sweep method you want to put this in. But let's go through our word problem strategy and we'll figure this out together. So step 1 of the word problem strategy is, what are we trying to find? 13 asks us not about the cake, but what is the area of the exposed foil on the cardboard surrounding the cake? Now, what information does it give us? Well, we already have this information about this very three-dimensional rectangular shape. Is we have the cake is 3 inches tall, 16 inches by 12. Now, we do not know how big the cardboard piece covered in foil actually is. What we are told is on all sides of the cake, there are 2 inches of exposed area. So on this side of the cake, it extends out 2 inches of cardboard covered in foil. And on this side, 2 inches. So we know that measurement. If we put this information together, we can find out how much exposed area there is of the foil. Basically what we're going to have to do is, this is kind of like one of your problems where you have a shaded region inside. One of those classic shaded region problems. You have like a circle and a square inside of it, square, circle. One of those, they're all over the ACT. This is pretty easy because what we're going to have to do is we have 2 rectangles, one inside the other. We want to find the area around the smaller rectangle. What is that area? Good news about that, when we're finding the area, we don't have to think 3-dimensionally. We could ignore the height of the cake. Boom, zero in on that. So first thing I want to do is I want to find the area of the foil. All the foil, exposed and not exposed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract from it the area of the cake on the foil. What that's going to do is it's going to give me just the remaining area of the exposed foil. So the area of the cake is going to be the area of any quadrilateral. It's going to be length times width. So 16 multiplied by 12. That is going to be subtracted. Whoops, that's wrong. That is not the area of the foil, that's the area of the cake. So I'm going to put that over here. 16 times 12. We're going to subtract that area of the cake, length times width, from the area of the foil. Now remember, all of the foil across that cardboard is 2 inches all the way around. So what I'm going to do is, if I think about this length right here of 16, I know the cardboard stretches 2 inches on the bottom and 2 inches on the top longer than the 16. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I know this length is 20 inches because there's 2 more inches here, and up on the top of the cake 2 more inches. So I know the length of the cardboard covered in foil is going to be 20 inches. Let's do the same process for the width. If it's 12, but on both sides we add 2 inches to find the width of the cardboard, 12 plus 2 equals 16. So I now have the area of the foil minus the area of the cake to find the area of the remaining exposed foil. So the area of the foil, 20 times 16, is 320. Minus the area of the cake, which is 192. Subtract 192 from 320, you will get 128 inches squared. That is the area of the exposed foil, and that is letter answer E.